नमस्कार। फिर पैसा बोलता है में आपका स्वागत है। जोमेटो का स्टॉक का प्राइस आईपीओ लेवल तक पहुंच गई है और ₹1 ऊपर ट्रेड हो रही है। आज ₹77.40 पर ट्रेड हो रही है और ये 52 वीक है। ये लो ₹40.60 में था और लगभग 48% की इफासा हुआ है इस शेयर में। क्यों जोमेटो की शेयर में इतना इफासा हुआ, क्या कारण है, क्या आप ये खरीद सकते हैं, इसके बारे में आज हम विश्लेषण करेंगे। टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट जोमेटो। Zomato is now trading at 77.40, which is a 52-week high. It's recovered from its low of 40.60. And whether we should buy Zomato at this point of time, whether a recovery is certain, what are the reasons for Zomato to jump 48% is something which I want to look at. Today, I want to tell you one thing. Zomato is yet to make a single paisa of profit. Zomato still is trading at negative cash flows. At best, it can delay payment to restaurants and enjoy some cash flows for some time. The company is still struggling to make profits. The analysts have pumped it up by saying there's a positive outlook after the Q4 results. The results of Q4 show that the losses are at 188 crores. The previous year quarter's loss was 347 crores and revenue is up 70% according to Zomato. So analysts now feel that the stock can go up to 85 rupees. What do I feel? I feel it's a waste of time. The company is not making any profits. There is going to be a further drain in cash. The promoters themselves say there is going to be no profits for the next 2 years. So we do not know what will happen for 2 years. Paying 76 rupees for a company which is going to burn cash for 2 years is something which I will not do. The total loss for February financial year 22-23 has come out to 971 crores. And this is the company claims it will become profitable in 2 years. How has the company done something like to cut the losses? The company has cut losses primarily by cutting employee costs. Basically, what has happened is they have slashed employees and they have also stopped paying contractors enough money and they are penny pinching with the contractors. Contractors are kids who deliver on behalf of Zomato. These guys are contract employees. So their commission was slashed. And last, if you remember, in April, May, there was a big strike. These delivery boys were boycotting Zomato because Zomato was not paying enough. There was a long and protracted negotiations after which the company caved in. So there is no way they can squeeze cost beyond a point. This is the lowest cost. When you start charging them for delivery, customers will rather call the restaurant directly and order. Nobody is going to pay huge sums of money for delivery and therefore delivery charges are not possible. So this company is not going to be profitable for some time. Like I said, layoffs was the main reasons why this company turned profitable. The next reason is sold by these stocks is that Blinkit, an instant delivery app, has been integrated with Zomato. And they claim there is a turnaround, and there is grocery delivery is going to be a big business. One of the promoter's wife or founder's wife joined Zomato from Blinkit and she was made a co-founder. By then we knew that something was cooking. Basically, Blinkit had no valuation. Zomato stock had been dumped on gullible investors. Therefore, the promoters decided, the financiers of both Zomato and Blinkit decided that this merger had to go through. The merger went through for 4,447 crores, which Zomato has paid by stock. They have used stock as currency and valued the stock at 447 crores and transferred shares to the shareholders of Blinkit. But Blinkit is not a very profitable model. Swiggy and Dunzo are struggling with it, and Dunzo is slowly in the process of being acquired by Reliance. So I do not think for a moment that Blinkit is going to be profitable. The other reason given by some analysts is the effect of ONDC. ONDC is an app, is a platform which connects buyers and sellers. It does not have a separate app by itself. You have to go through Meesho, Paytm, etc. and use that to place an order on ONDC. This is a government-backed scheme. Nandan Nilekani developed it. What they are expecting is that the small guys can directly sell to the consumers, ignoring teams like Zomato and Swiggy. The government had initially incentivized traders and consumers by discounts so that they would use ONDC. Rumors are now circulating that saying that the special discounts offered in ONDC will be withdrawn at the earliest, and this means that the market believes that clients who dropped out of ONDC will flock to Zomato. The point remains that Zomato is not profitable because nobody is willing to pay them for a cost for their service. There is only so much you can do in cutting costs. So either Zomato gives discounts or suffers poor sales. Zomato hopes to cut discounts, and if you cut discounts, sales will drop and it will not be profitable. Also, what is happening is the rules of using contract employees, students and a semi-employed youth to deliver parcels is also a troublesome one. It is only a matter of time before a government decides to crack down on them and read them the law of the land, that they would have to be treated as semi-permanent employees. So the employee cost which has gone down will not go down forever, and there will be a problem. The analysis what we have done for Zomato is true also for Swiggy, but Swiggy, we won't get these figures, so we cannot make an accurate prediction. ONDC is an open digital network for driving orders towards small players, but it is not a separate, as I explained, works like UPI and can be added to existing apps. The ONDC people have done away with discounts because they have registered 29,000 resellers and do not require much more. And they are selling 36 lakhs products, SKUs, separate stocking units, and about 29,000 people are registered. The discount is being revised downwards. So incentive for network participants to reduce dependence on discounts for adoption. So basically ONDC believes they can get people to adopt them even without a discount. But let us see, wait and watch what's happening. But as of now, it is very clear Zomato is not going to be profitable anytime soon. And when the tide that's lifting everybody goes down, Zomato will sink yet again. Thank you for watching पैसा बोलता है. आपने इस पॉडकास्ट को सुना, आप इधर उपस्थित हुए, इसके लिए मैं आपका आभारी हूँ. Kindly like the video and write your comments below. This will help us with our algorithm. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification. If you have done all this, kindly pass this video to your friends and relatives and ask them to take a look. Once again, I thank you for your support for पैसा बोलता है. पैसा बोलता है में फिर से आपका स्वागत है. जैसे मैंने अपने दूसरे चैनल में बताया आप लोगों को, मैं 11 जून रविवार कोलालमपुर मलेशिया में रहूंगा. उधर शेरेटन इंपीरियल होटल में मैंने एक मुलाकात अरेंज की है. उधर शाम 4 बजे से लेके 7 बजे तक मीटिंग रखा है. जो भी उधर आप मुझे मिलना चाहते हैं उधर आप आ सकते हैं. ये लिंक नीचे दबाने से एक व्हाट्सएप नंबर और ईमेल आईडी मिलेगा जहां आप हमारा टीम से संपर्क कर सकते हैं और डिटेल्स आपको देंगे. ये पिल सिटी मॉल के पास है, जलान सुल्तान इस्माइल एरिया में है. कोलालमपुर मोनो रेलवे स्टेशन इसके पास है. धन्यवाद, नमस्कार, जय हिंद.